Welcome to the Crown of Queen Bomonti. The crown is a fairly new concept that we use to describe the penthouses located at the top floors of Queen Bomonti that are spacious, more exclusive, and are enjoying beautiful views of the city of Istanbul and the Bosporus. The building and the homes are designed to provide the homeowners with a luxurious lifestyle. The complex has anything you can think of: security and concierge, car park, car wash and valet services, a cafe and a restaurant, dry cleaner, grocery shop, hairdresser, pool, gym, sauna, hammam, and large outdoor facilities are just to name a few. We are also making the life easier for the property owners at the Crown. We're providing dedicated interior designers, rental management services, legal representation, and a tax shelter fund formation. You will enjoy living in the microculture of Bomonti in the central Istanbul that is famous for its young and energetic population and atmospheric cafes and bars. The tunnel, located just next to the building, will allow you to navigate your way around the most beautiful spots in Istanbul, such as Taksim, Nişantaşı, Galata Port, and Sultanahmet, without the hassle of getting stuck in the traffic. Inquire now with this WhatsApp number or with the link down in the description box below to get in touch with our consultants to know more about the building, the location, and the prices. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.